A very good morning to all of you class 6. Welcome back to the English class. Today is Monday, 8th of June 2020, and I hope all of you have enjoyed your weekend and are ready for another week of online classes. Today, children, we will discuss me and mine worksheet number 61 and 62. So I will request all of you to please take out your worksheets, me and mine worksheets. We will do discussion, and page numbers, worksheet number 61 and 62 are adjective worksheets. So in the last class, we have completed degree of comparison, and before that we have learned adjective, kinds of adjective, different kinds of adjectives. So this worksheet number 61 and 62 is all based on adjectives. We'll discuss that. Okay, so I would request all of you to please take out your me and mine worksheet. Welcome back, students. This is the page of your me and mine worksheet. This is worksheet number 61. Okay, so I hope all of you have taken out your worksheets. Let us solve this worksheet 61. This is all based on your lesson number from your grammar textbook, lesson number 5, 4, and the last lesson we did was lesson number 5. So 4 and 5, adjectives and degree of comparison. Okay, let us solve this worksheet. Choose the correct option to identify the underlying adjectives in the given sentence. Here, these are the 8 sentences and these are the options given. Remember, I taught you kinds of adjectives, right? So all the kinds of adjectives are written here, given here, and you have to, there are few words which is underlined every sentence. You need to identify what kind of adjective it is. Like Shilpa has joined my school. So you have to identify my, what kind of adjective is a. Now option A here has A has 4 options. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it adjective of quantity? Is it possessive adjective? Is it proper adjective, or is it adjective of number? You can refer to lesson number 4. Okay, you can lesson number 4. We have learned kinds of adjective. I've explained this to you. So she has joined my would be possessive adjective. So option 2 is correct. Which class do you read in? Number B. B is, you have these choices 1, 2, 3, 4. Which class? That means you are asking which class. So this would be interrogative adjective. It is a question. It will be interrogative adjective. Can you lend me some money? Okay. Number C. Number C is here. These are the 4. Some is some money. That means it's quantify money. So this is a adjective of quantity. India is the second most populated country in the world. Second. Okay, number D. Adjective of quality, adjective of number, possessive adjective, or is it proper adjective? Second is a number, so it will be adjective of number. Number 5. The meetings of officials was held at French embassy. French is a proper noun. So this would be proper. What is this? Number E. It is a proper adjective, right? Then number 6. He looks certain to win the drawing competition. F. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, or demonstrative adjective. Certain is a demonstrative adjective. It points out at certain things. So here he is pointing out that he is certain. That means he is certain about winning the competition. It is pointing out. Okay. Today is going to be a humid day. Humid would be, you are describing a day. So G is adjective of quality. You are describing the quality of a day, cold or dry or rainy. It's a humid day. We haven't read either of the books. Either it is number H, interrogative, adjective, possessive, or adjective of numbers, it is distributive numeral numbers. So this would be adjective of number. Okay, because we are numeral refer to each one of a number. So this is a either of the book. So this is adjective of number. You will write your answers here. Then in number 2, question 2, choose the correct option to fill in the blanks with correct degree of adjectives. Correct degree of, we have in lesson number 5 we have learned comparative, positive, comparative and superlative degree, right? So these words are given in the bracket. You have to choose the correct degree from these options given, high, higher, the highest, highest. Okay, so you have to choose the correct degree of comparison. You have write it. Everest is dash mountain in the world. It will be not what form we will use, the highest. Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Jasmine is a very dash flower. Pretty is a very pretty flower. We are not making any comparison. In the previous sentence, we say Everest is the highest mountain in the world. That is, of all the mountains in the world, Everest is the highest. So we will use the superlative degree of high. But in second sentence, we are not making any comparison. We are just saying that Jasmine is a very pretty flower. So we will use the basic form, the first form, which is pretty. Your performance was dash good than me. Now here we are making a comparison between me and you, right? So your comparison was better than me. Comparative degree. Number 3. This is C. So we will good, better, the best. We will use your performance was better than me. We will use the comparative degree. May is dash hot than April. Again we are comparing between May and April. We are comparing how hot is May and how hot is April. So when we make a comparison between two things, we use the comparative degree. So May is hotter than April. Kashmir is dash place in India. We are not making any comparison here. Kashmir is a beautiful place in India. Okay. Jaya does not work very dash hard. Jaya does not work very hard. Here also there is no comparison between Jaya or anyone else. So we will use Jaya does not work very hard. We will use the positive form of comparison. My dash brother is dash among all of 3. So my old, this is we don't this old, elder, number G here. Old, older, the oldest. Okay, my older brother, because this we are comparing between me and the brother, elder brother. So my older brother is of all 3, comparison between 3, so is the tallest of all 3. Okay, then complete the sentences by interrogative or demonstrative adjective. Interrogative, children, is when we ask questions, right? Interrogative adjectives is used, adjectives which we use when with a noun when we ask question or we interrogate, correct? And demonstrative is a demonstrative adjectives point out which certain to certain person or thing. It points out to a certain person or thing. So let us see here. Dash pencil is this. This is a question mark. Whose pencil is this? Number 2. Dash brought dash lovely dress. This is a question. Who brought this lovely dress? Okay. So here who, since it is a question, so it will start with a interrogative word. Interrogative words are what, which, whose, which, who, right? Then who bought this lovely dress? Because here we are pointing to the dress. Dash lovely flowers look fresh. Those flowers look fresh. We are pointing to the flowers. dash question is the most difficult. Which question is the most difficult? Okay, this is a question. Dash bus should I take to Shimla? Which bus should I take to Shimla? Number 6, dash project have been made by dash students. This project has been made by which students? Okay, so this project, that means we are pointing to the project, is made by which students? Who are the students who have made this project? So that completes exercise 3. Now let us do exercise number 4. Complete the sentence by using much, many, each or every. So we have to fill up the blanks with much, many, much or many or each or every. Okay, I have dash milk. Do you want in your how dash milk do you want in your coffee? How much milk do you want in your coffee? Much will come here. I have got dash books on different subjects. I have got many books on different subjects. This hotel has many rooms. Each has got a separate room heater. My mother goes to the temple every day. She is a pious lady. Pious means very religious lady. Number 5, Meena has been to dash country, many countries, so she know much about the world. Number 6, when the teacher had entered the class, every student stopped making noise. Okay, so you will fill up these blanks, these words here. Now exercise worksheet number 62, I will give you this as homework. Choose the correct option to fill in with possessive adjective. Please again refer to lesson number 4. Possessive adjective is used with a noun to show possession or belonging, correct? So you have to use, for A you have all the 4 options here, B you have all the 4 options given here. Okay, like this you have to do. Then you will have to use write correct adjective from some, any, almost. You have to use any one of those in each blank here and you have to write it here. Choose the correct option from little, a little, few, a few. Okay, so and here choose the correct adjective from the given option. So the adjectives are already given here in the bracket. You have to choose the correct options and write it. So children, exercise 62, worksheet number 62 is your homework. Please send it to me by tonight. I hope it is clear to all of you. We are doing a revision of adjective lesson. Okay, lesson number 4 and 5. Thank you, students.